Let's quickly run through setting the time and aligning the hands on a G Shock GA-110BC. So first things first, we want to make sure that our analog display is properly zeroed. That way when we set the digital time, our hands will also display the correct time. So to do this, we're going to press and hold our forward button. We'll hear a beep and we'll see sub start flashing. So now we're controlling this small sub dial here. We can advance this one click at a time using our forward button. To be zeroed, we want it to be pointing directly to the left at 50. Once that's calibrated, we'll press mode to enter our next setting. It will now say 000. So now we're controlling our hour and minute hand. We can go reverse and forward with this. We want it to be pointing at 12 o'clock. Once that's aligned, we'll press adjust. And now when we set our digital time, our hands will also display the correct time. Now on to setting the digital portion of our watch. To enter our time setting mode, we're going to press and hold our adjust button. We'll hear the watch beep, and now we'll see our first setting start flashing, which is our time zone. We can move this with our forward and reverse buttons. To enter the next mode, we're going to press mode. Now we can choose daylight savings off or on. Mode again for our next setting will allow us to choose 12 or 24-hour timekeeping. Mode again will bring us to our seconds. We can zero this with our forward button. Mode again will allow us to set our hour, which we can go forward and reverse. Mode again will bring us to our minutes, again forward and reverse. Mode again will allow us to set our year. Mode again will allow us to set our month. Mode once more will allow us to set our day. And finally, mode will bring us to this LT 1 or 3. This is our light duration in seconds. Once we're done with all that, we'll simply press adjust once more, and our watch will set itself to the correct time. Thank you guys so much for joining me in this quick time setting tutorial. I really hope that everything was clear and helpful. If you're interested in more tutorials and watch related content, please do consider subscribing. Thanks everyone.